Alright, so here's the engine out of the Mach 1. Got it out. Fastlane took it out for me, called me to come get the car. Got here and went ahead and broke it down the rest of the way. Got the valve covers off, drained the oil and all out of it. And no telltale signs so far on the top end. So it's looking like it could be the bottom end like we were suspecting, but we'll find out more when Melvin tears it all the way down. But either way, it's out. The motor's out now, so we'll see what happens. Melvin Bronco. Got the car all loaded up. Here's a bunch of the parts we took off the motor. Just gonna take them home and store them for now, so they're not just laying around in the way. All right, I got the Mach 1 back home, inside the garage now. There it is. TTSaleen's on this side, and the Cobra is over there on the other side. So, put up on dollies, it'll be a minute. Everything's out of it, motor's out, car's back home. I gotta do a quick wipe down on it tomorrow and put my cover back on it. But hopefully, we can get that one fixed pretty quick. And I'm gonna pull this motor out, we're gonna freshen it up. Just for maybe by the end of this season, I'll be able to make some passes on it with the fresh motor and see what it can do.